Here's the Astro Excel looking at the month ahead. We're going from Sunday the 28th here. We're going to take this out to the 27th. So this was the peak right here that I had shown on the weekly chart from Sunday. This move goes all the way down to the 1st. We get a bounce up into the 2nd. Then we're kind of flat drift down between 0 and plus 10 to the 4th. And then we get a little push up from the 4th into the 5th at 1500. Then we get a pretty good push down to below the 0 line that ends on the 7th here, or the 6th at 2000. Push back up to the 10 line on the 8th at 11 a.m. We're going to get a push down into the 10th. Which is about 8 a.m. and then we've got this overall push up, except for this little breakdown on the 11th to the 12th at 1600. We push strongly up into the 15th at 1700. Get a move down into the 16th, 2100, then back up to the 17th at noon, and then down to the 18th at 1800. This next peak here is on the 19th at 1700 rather. Then we're down into the 20th at noon. Push up to the 22nd, 4 a.m. Then we're bouncing around here in positive territory, plus 10 to plus 20. Bottoms out here the 22nd, 2300 up till 1500 on the 23rd, coming down to the 25th at 4 a.m. and then pushing upward through the 27th, and then I'll come back at the end of the month to pick up the last couple days here. So we'll take a look at that then. Anyhow, that's the general indication for the month of February.